Hi everyone, good day. Welcome to Encyclopedia Book again. So let's get started. In the last session, we had discussed about the left-hand quantification, and in this session, we are going to discuss about the possessive quantification. So possessive quantifier, I have two examples here. So let's discuss here again. Again, it's a same thing. Like if you have your, normal greedy quantifier, if you add plus in front of it, this turn those greedy quantifier to the possessive quantification. And you see, we have this pattern here, which we will try to find out in this target string. The pattern starts with A star plus. So this is what we are trying to find. So A star plus means either zero time or more number of time. Zero time or more number of time. This is being depicted by the A asterisk, right? And now since we have plus in front of it, that is possessive quantification. This possessive quantification will, what it will do, it will act, this regex pattern will exactly act as a greedy quantifier. It will act as a greedy quantifier. It will try to find a maximum match of the pattern, that is A star, only once, only once, and it will never back off. It will never back off or never backtrack. This possessive quantification never back off. What do we mean by never back off? We will see in the just in a moment. But let's try to evaluate this regex pattern. So A star means minimum one occurrence, zero occurrence of A, immediately followed by maximum minimum one occurrence or maximum more number of time occurrence of B. So we have, you see, it will start finding the pattern here. It has found B here. Since it has found B here, it has found absence of zero time occurrence of A. It has found. And so it will consider this fine. And then immediately after this, it has found the immediately after this, it has found the more number of time occurrence of BB. So this pattern will be extracted out of it. So you see zero absence of A occurrence we have found in case of B. And then B plus plus means one time or more number of times. So we have twice repetition of B we have. So it will extract one pattern, that is BB. Another thing, it will move ahead. When it has reached here, it will again BB again. It has found the absence of A, but one time or more number of time occurrence of B. So it has found BB here, right? Now again here we have got B, B, B here we have got. So A means, as I told you, it's a possessive quantification. It will try to match maximum. A means either zero time or more number of times. So more number of time, four time A is there, and then immediately followed by one time or more number of time B. It will capture whole BB. So it will capture the another uh, the capturing another capture that we have here is A, and then BB. So this will give us, this string will be extracted from here. Similarly, it will keep moving ahead. When it reaches here, maximum of A it will capture, maximum of B it will capture. Since it's a position, it will never backtrack and it will give you A, and then it will give you BB. Again, it will keep moving ahead here. It will give you B. Why it will give you B? Because it has found the absence of A. Fine. Minimum one time of A, minimum one time of B, or maximum one time of B it has found, it will give you B. So we have got five. And then we have BB again here. Again, it has found the absence of A, but it has found the more number of one, more than one time repetition of B it has found. So it will give you BB again. This thing will be extracted. Again, it will keep moving ahead. It will reach here maximum number of repetition of A, but is it followed by B? No. So it will not be extracted. So you see, we will get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Six pattern will be extracted out of it based on the pattern that we have curated. So let's see if I run this, if it gives us the six pattern. So You see, it has given us six pattern. It has given us BB, BB, ABB, ABB, B, BB. Right? So this is how possessive quantification will work. Exactly as greedy quantification, but it will never backtrack. Let me just quickly erase this. Right? So let's discuss the another example we have here. So another example you see, we have dot plus plus prefix. So what will happen? As I told you, it's a possessive quantification. It will go for maximum match. Dot means any character. Dot means any character, right? And then plus means one or more time. So this plus or more time will match entire string. Since and then again we have plus here. Plus makes it reluctant. Reluctant means it will only try to match once. So since this dot plus partially, I mean, it will act as greedy, it will capture everything. And then we have another plus which makes it reluctant. Reluctant means it will try to match once. Once the match has found on the partial execution of this regex, match has found here. But then we have prefix here. We are left with prefix. And then since we are left with prefix, this whole string matches the dot plus plus. But prefix, it is still left unevaluated in the regex. And then this string against the prefix dot plus plus prefix is not a match. This string will not match with this entire regular expression. And since it's a reluctant, I told you like it will never backtrack by a character. It will never do the backtracking, or it will never skip the characters. Sorry, it's not a reluctant. Sorry, whatever I have told you, it's a possessive quantification. Possessive quantification. We were talking about possessive quantification. So since it's a possessive, whatever things I have said reluctant here, it's a possessive, the context of possessive I was talking about. Since it's a possessive quantification, it means it will only evaluate once and it will never backtrack. So this dot plus has evaluated or matched the entire string, but still we are left with prefix. Since it's a possessive, we will not do the backtracking here. Since we will not do the backtracking, this whole string match will fail because we are still left matching the prefix. So it will not give you any result out of it. So if I run this, you would get empty string, nothing you will get. So you see, it has not matched, it has not returned any, nothing matched here. Right? So this is what the concept of possessive quantification, possessive quantifier, two implication very important we have been discussing from the previous couple of videos. So yeah, well that is it. About the quantification as a whole. I hope this video series of quantification in regular expression will really give you an insight of it, and it will really help you to nail down the problems you will find while working in your projects or application. And one thing also, as I stated previously, or important thing I would like to state here is like, see, whatever things we are discussing here till now about regular expression or quantification, whatever we have discussed, everything you can find in Google. If it is not in there in Google, you will find it in some books or any other books. If it is there, not there in the books, in the YouTube, there are thousands of channels you can go and go through it. But the thing is, the problems which are there in Google will not help you. I mean, these problems are available in Google. The problems which are not available in Google could give you a problem because that is your basic fixing. So these are the basic concept. Understand it thoroughly. If you don't understand it, you can always comment it and we can have a discussion on this. But the thing is, the problems, there are two set of problems we have, right? Finite set and infinite set. This falls into the category of infinite set. This is what the regular expression is. Very simple problems we have discussed. There are many complex problems also. And that's where, I mean, it's not necessary, even if you Google it or do your research, you might find it the solution for that. You may not find solution for that. Every time it's not the case. But if you have the basic layers, you can always, challenge the problem and try to solve that problem by your own. This is what this video series is all about. I hope this lecture, would have given you some hand on the regular expression or should give you a hand on regular expression. Well, that is it. Thank you so much. Thank you for watching. I wish you a good day. Till then, bye bye.